Have you ever wondered, why does everything fall down? If you drop your phone, it falls. If you jump, you come back down. But then, why doesn't the moon fall on Earth? And why don't planets fall into the sun? Today, we're going to understand one of the most powerful forces in the universe: gravity. Let's keep it very simple. Gravity is a force that pulls things toward each other. That's it. Anything that has mass pulls other things. You, me, the Earth, the sun, even tiny dust particles. Everything has gravity, but the bigger something is, the stronger its gravity. So why does an apple fall down? It's not because down is special, it's because the Earth is pulling it. The Earth is huge, so its gravity is very strong. When you drop something, the Earth pulls it toward its center. That's why everything falls down. But actually, it's not down, it's toward the Earth. Here's something interesting. Gravity pulls from all directions. But since we are standing on Earth, we feel it as down. If you were on another planet, down would be different. So down is not universal. Gravity is. Now, here's the big question. If Earth pulls things, why doesn't the moon fall into Earth? The answer is, it actually is falling, but it's also moving sideways at a very high speed. So instead of crashing, it keeps missing the Earth again and again in a perfect path. This is called an orbit. Imagine throwing a stone. It falls to the ground. Now imagine throwing it faster. It goes further. Now imagine throwing it so fast that as it falls, the Earth curves away beneath it. That's exactly what the moon is doing. It is always falling, but never hitting. The same thing happens in our solar system. The sun is extremely massive, so its gravity is very strong. It pulls all the planets, including Earth. But the planets are moving sideways, so they don't fall into the sun, they orbit it. That's why Earth goes around the sun. In movies, you see astronauts floating. It looks like there is no gravity in space, but that's not true. Gravity is everywhere, even in space. Astronauts float because they are also falling, just like the moon. But they are moving so fast around Earth that they keep missing it, so they feel weightless. Now imagine something with extreme gravity, so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. That is a black hole. Gravity there is so powerful, it bends space itself. So let's summarize. Gravity pulls everything together, makes things fall, keeps the moon in orbit, keeps planets around the sun exist everywhere. Without gravity, there would be no stars, no planets, no galaxies, and no us. So, next time you drop something, remember, it's not just falling, it's being pulled by one of the most powerful forces in the universe: gravity. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.